Hi there, Ashley from Nomisma here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you some of the enhancements that we've made to the GoCardless integration. Now, with this integration, your clients can actually make one-off payments to you in relation to your sales invoices. And this video is a follow-on from the previous GoCardless integration video that we did, where we show you how to set it up. So the next steps is you can go to Template, you can select Edit, and in the invoice link email template, you can add the plus button, and here enter the tag pay GoCardless. Save that. This is a one-off task, so it will always be on the emails going forward. I've already got my GoCardless integration set up. I've entered my secret key. So now when you go to sales and you've got a sales invoice that's outstanding, I'm just going to duplicate this. So copy it and save so that I have two sales invoices. Now that I've got two invoices outstanding, I can select invoice link. And then the first time I follow this link, it's going to ask me to set up a direct debit mandate. So I can set up a direct debit mandate, enter the sort code and the account number. Now when I enter postcode, email address, and then set up direct debit mandate. Now, once this mandate is set up, it will actually process the one-off payment at the same time on the GoCardless platform. So if I click confirm, it will then take me back to Nomisma, and it will take me to this page where I can see all of my unpaid invoices. Now, going back to your bookkeeping profile, once your client clicks that link, the invoice will be marked as paid. And the payment will go to an account called cash in transit on your balance sheet to show that it's money that hasn't been received into the bank yet, but it has been processed on GoCardless. So that invoice has been paid. Now on this page, I've got the other sales invoice, which is currently unpaid. Now, if your client wanted to make payment for the other one, they could come here, click pay, and click GoCardless. And then when that happens, it comes up with this pop-up that says, by proceeding, a payment of £100 will be taken from your account via our GoCardless mandate. Are you sure you would like to proceed? Yes. Now that invoice has been marked as paid as well. So if I go back, I've got two transactions here, and I'm just going to load GoCardless. I may not be able to show you. So if I load GoCardless, I'll drag that onto my screen just now. There are actually two payments here, which are the payments I just processed through the Nomisma platform. So that is exactly how the integration works. I am going to cancel these because I don't want £200 being taken from my bank. So let's cancel. But essentially, that is exactly how Nomisma works in terms of GoCardless integration. If you have any questions for us at all, feel free to reach out on our support line, which is 020-3021-2326, or via email at support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you very much and take care. Bye.